In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in a mind map on Clickup, an efficient productivity tool loved by teams everywhere. If you're aiming to bring more structure to your project planning, then knowing how to effectively use Clickup's mind map feature can be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Clickup's website. Clickup is known as the everything app for work, integrating well with different productivity needs. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is straightforward. Simply click on the login button. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to register, but assuming you have one, go ahead and proceed to log in. For those of you using Google accounts, it's even simpler. Click the Sign in with Google option. This lets you access ClickUp using your Google account credentials without needing to remember yet another password. After you've clicked, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. Make sure you pick the account that's linked to your ClickUp profile. This integration is great for streamlining access across different services. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the ClickUp dashboard. From here, you're looking for the View button. Clicking this opens a menu of ways to look at your tasks and projects. Here's where the magic of the mind map truly lies. Now locate and select the mind map option from the Views menu. If it's your first time here, you'll find it refreshingly intuitive. Next, you'll see an option labeled Tasks in the mind map interface. Click on it and you're greeted by your current tasks in a clear visual format. This tool helps you to visually organize tasks, just like sticky notes on a whiteboard. Now to add a new task, look for the Add Task button. Click on it and you'll have the opportunity to define a new task in your mind map. When creating a task, start by entering the task title. A well-crafted title should be concise yet descriptive enough for anyone looking to understand at a glance. Additionally, you have the option to add a description. This is helpful for providing more detailed instructions or information related to the task. After you've filled out the necessary fields, wrap things up by clicking on the Create Task button. This adds your task to the mind map, helping you visualize your workflow more clearly. If for some reason your new task doesn't show up right away, no worries. Simply refresh the page by clicking the refresh icon on your browser, typically found at the top left corner. And there you have it, a newly created task within your mind map on ClickUp. With this visual aid, managing your projects becomes not only simpler, but also more engaging. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you optimize your task management in ClickUp.